Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias Kitchen. Today I've collaborated with my fellow YouTuber. We are going to make different types of drinks. I'll be making this healthy, refreshing pineapple ginger lemon juice, and Amra's channel will be making this tasty peppers ice cream drink. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out this recipe. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do, so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 liter of water, 1 lemon, a half a piece of ginger, 1 large pineapple, and lastly you will need approximately 1 cup of sugar. So the first step, make sure you've rinsed your pineapple very well. Then afterwards, you're going to cut the crown and peel the outer skin of the pineapple, as you can see in the video. Once you're done peeling the outer skin of the pineapple, then afterwards we're going to peel the second layer because we're going to use this to make our syrup. After removing or peeling the second layer, you're going to take a medium pot and place them in a pot. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar. You can reduce the sugar or you can add, that's up to you. Then pour approximately 1 cup of water. Then place it in a medium heat and let it to boil for approximately 7 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to continue cutting our pineapple into small pieces, as you can see in the video. Then I'm going to take a ginger. I'm going to use approximately a half a piece of ginger. Make sure you've rinsed the ginger very well and cut it into small pieces. And lastly, you're going to cut the lemon into 2. And it's high time to make our pineapple juice. Take a blender and add the pieces of pineapple and the ginger. Then pour some water and cover the blender and blend till everything is nicely blended. Blend the pineapples and the ginger for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Once your juice is nicely blended, you're going to need a large bowl like this and a sieve. Then sieve the pineapple juice into the bowl, as you can see in the video. When you're done sieving the juice, you're going to take the pineapple skin boiled syrup that was boiling in the beginning and also blend it for approximately 3 minutes. And once ready, you're going to save it into the pineapple juice. Personally, I prefer saving my juices twice, or you can also save it 3 times, that's up to you. Lastly, I'm going to squeeze 1 lemon to add an extra amazing taste to the juice. Then stir the juice very well. At this point, you're going to test if you'll need more sugar or water. That's up to you, and your juice will be ready. And my tasty pineapple ginger lemon juice is ready, as you can see in the video. I'm going to pour in a bottle and place it in the fridge, or you can add some ice cubes and drink it immediately. And our tasty, cold, refreshing pineapple ginger lemon juice is ready, as you can see in the video. Like, this juice is super tasty, and enjoy your pineapple juice. Thank you for watching my video and hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please kindly don't forget to watch Ambra's channel video on how to make this tasty rose ice cream drink. I'll put her link in the description box so you can able to check out her recipe. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing, and please give this video a big thumbs up and share with others, and see you next time. Bye bye.